2 charges of bribery, 1 guilty verdict.
A jury found former Toledo City Council member Gary Johnson not guilty of 1 charge and guilty of the other.
Now, Kaylee Maritet, she was in court as the jury deliberated for nearly 17 hours this week. Kaylee, tell us what happened in court.
It was around 1:15 this afternoon that we were told the jury had finally come to a decision. Johnson was found not guilty of a charge that stemmed from a $1,000 check that was written as a campaign donation. But the government argued it was an exchange for a favorable vote on a proposed Central Avenue internet cafe. The count that Gary Johnson was found guilty on is regarding the $2,000 cash he was given from Nabil Shaheen. He took the cash he claims he thought was a campaign donation, and it was only a few days before the election, so he needed that money quick. Johnson says he ended up putting the cash in a drawer once he was told he couldn't use it for his sheriff's campaign because it exceeded the $100 cash limit under Ohio law. Johnson never spent the money, and it was never put into his campaign fund. Johnson wouldn't speak to us, but we did talk to one of his attorneys, Richard Kurger, who said the jury did something he's never seen in his 50 years of work.
They wrote a note. Judge Helmick, it is with heavy hearts that we deliver the verdict of guilty on count 2 of the indictment of Hobbs Act extortion under color of official rights. We believe Gary is an honest, genuine person with good intentions who is caught up in a bad situation. Sincerely, the jury.
Kurger believes the jury did the best that it could and believes that it might have been stuck on that second count because it involved cash. Kurger said that he does not believe this case is over and there is an undecided motion for an acquittal. When it comes to sentencing, it's not clear how much time or what Johnson could be facing, and there has been no sentence date set yet. Reporting live in downtown Toledo, Kaylee Maritet, WTOL 11.